Hello students, this is Rakesh Misra present before you with a topic in English language, the topic preposition. This is very significant part of English grammar. It will help you not only in your writing skill but in also of your language. Special question will be asked in your examination, half marks each. It means 10 questions. Each carry half marks, and along with this preposition will play a role in order to write correct English. Whatever writing skill you are going to make with, everywhere for grammatical accuracy you'll have to work on more and more two preposition. If you really want to have good command over preposition, keep on reading more and more articles, essays and compositions. You will have to study some of the specific use about the simple preposition. So before beginning of it, I would like to make you understand what do you mean by preposition. Preposition word derived from the two words pre and position. Pre here means as a subject. What would be as a subject? Either noun or pronoun. So pre means either noun or pronoun. A position, it means the word which tells about the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence will be known as preposition. In very simple language, preposition derived from two words pre and position. Pre means what is used pre in a sentence. So pre used in a sentence means either noun or pronoun would be as a subject. A position, giving place. It means the word which tells about the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence will be known as preposition. Just like you are playing in the field. In is preposition. So what the use of in? In is telling about the position of you. Boys are playing basketball. Boys are playing basketball with their friends. So with, what with is telling? About the position of boys who are playing basketball. The copy is on the table. The copy is noun, that is pre-used. On, that is telling about the position of copy. It means telling about the position of noun in a sentence. So in this regard you find preposition is telling the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence. This is self-framed answer. But what given in your book? Preposition is a word used in a sentence in order to show the relation. What type of relation? Noun to noun, noun to pronoun, or noun or pronoun to each other. Overall discussion, we come on point that preposition is a word that tells about the position of noun or pronoun in a sentence and relation of noun and pronoun to each other. This preposition divided into various parts like simple preposition, compound preposition, phrasal preposition. So different type of use will study a preposition in a sentence. Today we shall study about the some important use of the simple preposition. They are often in variations, hence I kept them together. Just like in Hindi, say के sense में this the part and per on. Now often you will find it's very confusing where to use on, upon, over, above, up, at. Often you will get variations and it's very confusion and dynamic to understand about the correct use of all these. Where to get use on, where upon, over, above, up and at. Listen on. On is used in order to show the static position of any specific object. Static position, fixed position. Just like the boy is sitting on the floor. It means the position of boy is on the floor. That is static position, fixed position. The copy was placed on the table. The mobile is on the table. The cat is sitting on the floor. So in this regard, whenever you talk about the static position of any specific object, on will be used. It's clear? Upon. Upon is used sudden movement, sudden pace, sudden motion. Just like a lion jumped upon a deer. There is a rush, there is movement. A tiger rushed upon a bear. Movement of tiger, movement of lion, movement of cat. A cat jumped upon the rat. It means from one place to other. So you will find here sudden movement, sudden pace. Upon will be used. On static position, upon sudden movement, sudden place from one place to other. Suppose cat is sitting on the floor. Static position, the cat jumped upon the rat. Sudden movement. The girl is sitting on sofa. Static position, the girl leapt upon other girl. You rushed upon other girl to fight. This is action position. Now above and over. Actually over is used action or position in the mid. Action or position in the mid. It's very confusing. Whatever object in between, just like downside earth and heaven, in between whatever action is going on. Just like flying, very beautiful example you will find, flying. The bird is flying over. The aeroplane is flying over. The fighter planes are flying over the city. The voice quite audible. That is the sound of helicopter. The helicopter is flying over the colony. Position, if you talk about, just like over bridge. So whenever you talk about action or position in between the earth and the sky, over will be used. The best example is flying. Flying of bird, flying of aeroplane, flying. It's clear? Next, above. Above is used 90 degree of position, especially of any object. Just like her roll number is above among the list of successful students. How is your performance? Your roll number is above among the list of failure students. Above is also used, just like sky is above your head. The fan is above our head. My palm is above your head. Means just straight 90 degree of the position. Up. When you talk about up, gradual position to upward. Just like climb up. Climbing up the tree. Climbing up the tree means directly from one place, not you are going to the top. It means step by step to upward. Whenever your movement will be step by step towards upward, then up will be used. Just like climbing up the tree, climbing up the mountain ranges, climbing up the stairs. So climb up the tree, climb up mountain ranges, climb up the stairs, up will be used. It's clear? At. Pause after movement. Suppose someone is standing at the gate. It means that one is coming from somewhere. standing at the airport, standing at the station. It means coming from some place. Whenever pause after the movement, at will be used. At the door, at the gate, at the station, at the airport. So now it's clear, I think. Whatever confusion and dynamic condition related to the different use of such simple preposition should be clear. On static position, upon sudden pace, over action or position in the mid, above 90 degree of the position, up gradual upward, and at pause after the movement. Now in the same pattern you will find the use of since, for, from, during, with, by and through. They are also always confusing how to make its correct use in a sentence. It's clear? Since, points of the time. Whenever you talk about the fixed time, then since will be used. Generally perfect continuous tense, whether present perfect or past perfect or future perfect. For period of the time. Know about the actual, make comparison to it. Yes, since Monday, since Tuesday. Whenever you talk about the fixed day, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it is always fixed time. So since Sunday, since Monday, since Tuesday. Lekin 2 days, 3 days, for 2 days, for 3 days, for 4 days. Whenever you talk about period of the time, then for will be used. And points of the time, fixed time, then since will be used. It's clear? Since January, since February, since March, but for 2 months, for 3 months, for 4 months. If you talk about time, since 2 o'clock, since 3 o'clock, since 4 o'clock, since 5 o'clock, lekin 2 or 3 hour, for 2 hour, for 3 hour, for 4 hour. If you talk about any specific time, just like since 2020, 2018, 2002, since many years, for many years, right? Morning, evening, noon, since will be used. Last day, last night, since will be used because of fixed time is given. From always pointing out towards the fixed time, but 2 time will be given, 2 fixed time. That would be the points of the time, but 2 time will be given. Just like doctor is available from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. The principal is available in the school from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. It means fixed duration of the time is given. From will be used. 2 time is reflected here. From morning till evening, from 2010 to 2019, it means fixed duration of time. From will be used. During means certain time. Whenever you talk about the certain duration of the time, certain duration, just like Dasera holiday, Holi holidays, Eid holidays, during winter vacation, during summer vacation, during Dasera holidays, it is fixed time, na? During Corona period, very good example, right now, today's scenario. So during Corona period, during PM visit, during CM visit, it's clear. So whenever certain duration of time is given, during will be used. Clear? With and by. With is used for instrument or a company. जैसे मतलब writing with pen. He is writing with pen. He is chopping vegetable with knife. With pen, with knife, with gun. जैसे she killed a mosquito with rifle. She killed a mouse with cannon. Cannon means tope. She killed mouse with cannon. Think about the brevity and valiant nature of the venge. Okay. Next you talk about with. She is playing with a dog. She is playing with mouse. She is playing with her friend. She is playing with her family members, accompanying indication. So with generally used especially indication for the two, first instrument in the case and second accompany, playing with. By also very significant in use, especially in simple preposition. Transport medium, just like by car, by auto, by taxi, by transport medium. An agent, just like in passive voice, you'll find by is used by him, by her, by me, by boys, by girls, by the principal, by the PM, by the CM, by agent. So by especially two use, first transport medium and second two agents. Clear? Two. Whenever you cross over any specific place, then through will be used. Just like through, also via, you know, say hoकर, via. The train is going through Delhi to. This train is going through Lucknow to Kanpur. Through. She is coming to his school through the forest. She is going to watch movie. So in this regard, one also is specific use you will find related to the use of simple preposition from, to, and from, to, and with, along with the towards. From, जैसे from Delhi to Mumbai. From Delhi to Mumbai. Towards the airport. Jैसे from home to a school towards the classroom. From UP to Bihar towards the railway station. From where you detach to where actually you are going ahead, and towards always indicate towards direction. It's clear? Thank you.